know. Yeah. Yeah, and this verse is just a method to communicate. Stun on everybody just so you can hate. I think I'm the one, I show you why I didn't let you debate. Sorta wreck, shoot it straight. If you just heard about me, then you're stupid late. Get right or get left, ho, choose a fate. Follow no one, I move at my own pace. You can wait, notice how you stop touching bread like you're losing weight. One day you will see why I'm truly great. I'll be on the road till I'm old like Willie Nelson is back. 20K for a verse, you need some help on the track. And I swear I've been all the way to hell and I'm back. Without a cosign at all, I put myself on the map. I was chilling with a girl that I just met. Mid-conversation, got impatient, so I asked her, can we fuck yet? Guessing she was upset. That's about the time she stormed off, steaming mad. She was bad, but I just let her go. Why you sweat girls like a fur coat? In the summertime, you're a nerd, bro. Never leave work, never furlough. Think you're fucking Whitney K, sure, bro. Ready all time, say the word go. Sipping, drinking Merlot, started drinking early. Still the same Gerald, half killer, half nerdy. So far my 20s, they've been one hell of a journey. Bob Dylan told me don't trust no one over 30. Damn. Draped in Saint Laurent is supreme. Amount of money that I spend on what I want is obscene. All surreal how we live this good off of a dream. And I swear I do it all for the team. Drunk off of the hymn. Truly feel I'm the coldest alive. All I do is work, focus, and strive. Split a swish and roll a fatty. I'ma smoke this and drive. I'm a threat now, and some of y'all can really only hope to survive. Grab a glimpse, I'm as rare as it gets. Forget whoever else you might have thought was apparently next. Out here and I'm blessed. I come in town, every girl in the city's at my show, and all the parents get stressed. I'm maneuvering with flair and finesse, working out so I can carry the West. I'm prepared for the test, and I'm ready after 5 sets. Lift the whole bay with my biceps. Caution if you try to follow my steps. You a trip and fall, get exhausted and collapse. Most these haters carry germs, so I'm cautious giving daps. I just can't fuck with everyone, my circle stays the same size. Enjoy the lifestyle that fame buys. After party is a Dre's in Vegas where they have the view. Get some girls, grab a few, but only bring the baddest through. Rappers imitate the style, I'm not even mad at you. I'm not even throwing shade, I just overshadow you. Yeah, I'm in my own lane, run my own pace. Chasing nobody, marathon my own race. I do it for the Bay Area, that's home base. They be trying to run next to us, but it ain't no space. I feel like life just switched to hyperspeed, though as of recent. The difference between yourself and me is you're just decent. A garden full of flowers grew its way out through the cement. If I ever said I'm never scared, just